Guys, welcome back to Fancy and Ribbon. Today I have this really fun bridal themed goodie bags DIY, perfect for you to make and gift your bridesmaids. So yeah, let's get started. We'll have the template linked down below if you guys are interested. You're gonna get 3 pages. The first page has the mouse outline and the bow measurements, and then the next 2 pages have the text. So I did give you guys the font that says Bride Squad. The first page has the circles though, so in case you guys don't own a cutting machine, you could cut them by hand. But if you do own a cutting machine, you could just scan it into your machine and have it cut like a fun design like how I did with mine. So yeah, let's get started. Let me quickly cut everything out and I'll be right back. Okay, so for this project, I'm going to be using these white paper bags. They're the 5 by 8 inches. They come in 12, so you can get them on Amazon or any like craft store. Anyways, when it comes to the template, okay, so I will be attaching the CVG file for you guys as well if you guys want to have your machine to cut it. But obviously with these templates, I'm trying to make it like user friendly. I understand that not everybody has a cutting machine. So if you decide to cut these by hand, I recommend that you use the foam, like glitter foam craft paper, just because it's a lot easier to cut, especially if you're cutting a lot. And then when it comes to the mouse bow, please use a 1.5-inch ribbon. I'm using white satin for this project, and I'm gonna quickly cut as many as I need, and then we can start sewing the bow. Now let's start making the bows. So first we're going to fold in half, crease it a little bit, that way it marks the middle of the ribbon, and then we're going to kind of overlap it a little bit from the middle part, that way we can stitch it all together. So I'm going to pass the needle through, and then I'm going to pull and gather and wrap the thread around it a couple times and then tie a knot at the end. Once you're done sewing the bows that you need, we're going to finish by adding either ribbon in the middle, or you could also make it a little bit more fun and add some gems in the middle of the bow. As you can see, it'll look cute if you want to, but I'm kind of going simple. I'm going to use this really fun 3/8 inch wide ribbon that has silver on the edges, and so I'm going to wrap that around the bows. And now we're ready to put everything together and assemble the bags. And ta-da! This is how the goodie bags turned out. So yeah, like I said, file will be linked down below, but I'll also have 6 bags ready to ship out in case you're interested. I'll have them 50% off, and again, it'll be linked down below. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys!